We've just arrived at the airport and we are waiting for our plane to take off. So we're going to need a little Dramamine and then we're on our way.
A 12-acre property with like 135 bungalows. Like each bungalows are the same, it's just the location is different. To your left right there, we got this lady 99. Given name by the owner daughter. She's right there. This is gonna be the size bungalows we have. Each bungalow's got its own bike, own little quarter. To the side, they got a patio. You got a little tub over there. So you can make your own jacuzzi, and you also got an outside shower.
Okay.
Nice. And now to your left right there, we got this pool. We call it the Zen pool. It's just like a little quiet getaway pool. We have two pools on top. The Zen pool and then we got the main pool. I'm gonna drive and show you where it is. And we also got a spa right here for you. Spa and the gift shop in one.
Is that where you go get the massages at?
Yes, man. Yeah,
okay.
Right there, man. It's going to be the beachfront. We got this side, we got the other side over there. So we got two sides of beachfront. We also got the massage parlor over there. We also got yoga in the morning.
Okay.
And this is going to be the water sport. So right there is going to be the main pool for you, man.
Okay.
We got find space anywhere. We got a server. We'll take care of it. Behind over there, we also got the tiki hut. Called it Sea Sinor. Downstairs, we also got a restaurant called Fishtail.
Okay.
Oh, this is where all the restaurants are?
Yeah, all the rest are going to be this building right here. Right here, we also got the little fitness tiki. Upstairs on the second floor, we got the B&B on the Bungalow store. We also got the Hammerway bar up here.
Okay.
Upstairs is like a little living room and stuff.
Gotcha. There's ceasing going.
Yep, and that's gonna be seasonal right there, the Mexican restaurant. And it's gonna be fish tail gonna be right there for you.
Okay.
Behind there, we also got the Sunset Beach, Coconut Beach.
Okay.
We also got the paddleboarding and kayaking. Okay. Alright, so what's the number gonna be again?
All right, so we finally made it and we're in our room. This is what our room looks like. Very nice. Have a nice size king bed. And have this little desk area over here. And then over here, we have a little bar area where we can have coffee. And we have a safe here. And then we have body wash and lotions down there. And then on this side, we have like a little microwave. And then we have a little refrigerator. And we got these two cute little bottles of champagne. Isn't that pretty? And then over here is our bathroom. Hi, hey girl, hey. And it's how it looks here. And this big old shower over here. Towels down there, water closet over here. And then over here we have our own private little balcony outside where we can sit out here and be zen. Love it. Then we have our own little bathtub over here and an outdoor shower. And yeah, it looks like it's getting ready to rain again. So, yep. Now we're on the hunt because I need some food and I'm hungry. this is our view. And it is very, very nice. Love it. View from our breakfast table this morning. Hello.
Yeah.
Having a little rainstorm. Which I am about to get into. I am absolutely loving this.
passion fruit kind of campus living. Yeah, short living.
We had an awesome time at the bungalows and we would definitely give it 4.5 stars. We can't wait to return.